Welcome to QuMind Academy, Community Video Tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to create a discussion or forum within your online community or panel. For context, here is an example of what an online forum or discussion looks like. This comes from one particular community. The design, look and feel might be slightly different. Discussions and forums are essentially areas where your panel or community members can have discussions with each other about topics that you create. You are able to probe them, moderate them, and so on. In order to do this, first of all, we must have forums or discussions created in our panel or community spaces. To create a forum or discussion, go to the left-hand side menu, click on Community, and then locate Discussions. You will then see a list of all available discussions in your panel or community. If you have a new panel or community, this list might be empty. In this case, in this example, we have 4 already set up. You can see the subject, and you can see some interesting information over here to the right. To create a new discussion or forum, simply go to the top right and click on Add Topic. This will open up this new window, which has some very straightforward instructions. For group, select Default. For topic subject, type in the topic of the subject that you are going to create a discussion about. And underneath, you can enter in the actual topic content. This might be a question, it might be a task, it could be many things depending on your needs. You can simply copy and paste or type in your task. You can, of course, as per the rest of the system, add images using this icon and videos, including embedding YouTube videos. You also have an option here, which is an important one, is to select an image. This is the image which will appear in the list in the back end where you create your discussions, but it will also appear to your survey respondents, your community or panel members, and it will appear in the community or panel website as well. You can upload an image and then assign it just by uploading and then selecting. In this case, we'll use this image from before. Before we continue, there are a few different rules which you can set on your forums and discussions, and they are here in this tab called Rules. Options are all explained on the screen. A few include notifications, whether the system will notify participants when you or someone else replies to them. You can also moderate in the sense of requiring approval for all posts that your panel or community members make. You may want to control what is being said in forums and discussions. You can also control when forums and discussions display and when they might disappear. You can also ensure a particular forum is shown at the top. And for those forums you no longer want and discussions you no longer want, you can archive them so you can refer back to them later. Under the Comments tab, you have further options, all clearly explained, where you can remove the like buttons, dislike buttons, add them in, limit editing time, allow posting of videos and images, replying to posts or not. Simply tick or untick the options. When you're ready to go, click Save Changes. Your new forum or discussion will then appear in the list, and it will automatically appear on your panel or community website, ready for your members to take part in.